Have you ever noticed how the loudest person in the room isn't always the most respected? We live in a world where everyone is trying to be heard, where volume is confused with value. But there's a power that most people overlook, a power that doesn't shout, doesn't demand attention, but still commands it. That power is silence. In a world full of noise, silence feels uncomfortable. That's because we're so used to filling every second with something: music, scrolling, talking, reacting. But silence isn't empty. It's full of information, full of strength, and full of clarity. When you learn how to sit with it, listen through it, and use it wisely, silence becomes your greatest power. Most people fear silence because silence reflects. It's a mirror that shows you what's really going on inside. It exposes your thoughts, your feelings, your doubts, and that's why many run from it. But those who are brave enough to stay with it, they grow. They sharpen their awareness. They see more, hear more, and think more clearly than those who always react with words. Here's the truth most people miss. Silence is control. When someone yells, argues, or tries to push your buttons, your silence is strength. It shows them that your emotions don't control you. It proves that you're in command of yourself. Think about the most respected leaders, the wisest mentors, or the people who leave the biggest impact. They don't talk constantly. They speak with purpose, and they listen with power. Their silence makes every word mean more. Imagine standing in a storm, and instead of shouting into the wind, you remain still. Everyone else is caught up in the chaos, but you're calm, grounded, unmoved. That's the power of silence. It's a shield that protects your peace, and a weapon that sharpens your presence. Silence also teaches you to observe. When you're quiet, you notice things others don't. Body language, tone, what's not being said. You become more aware, more intuitive. And that awareness, that's where wisdom lives. Because when you stop rushing to talk, you start truly understanding the world around you. Right now, someone might be underestimating you because you're quiet. Let them. Because silence doesn't mean weakness. It means you're watching, learning, getting stronger. And when the time comes to speak, every word will carry weight. Your silence isn't just for others. It's for you. It gives you space to think, to breathe, to grow. It removes the noise so you can hear your own voice clearly. In silence, you connect with your goals, your values, and your truth. That's where real self-belief comes from. You don't need to shout to be heard. You don't need to react to prove you're strong. Your energy, your stillness, your silence, it already speaks for you. Use it, own it, because the people who change the world aren't always the loudest. They're the ones who stay calm under pressure, the ones who listen more than they speak, the ones who know that silence, when used with purpose, can speak louder than any words ever could. So the next time life throws noise at you, pause. Don't rush to fill the silence. Let it speak. Let it guide you. And remember, sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is say nothing at all. If this message resonated with you, subscribe to the channel. Because here, we grow not just through words, but through awareness, wisdom, and silence. Your next level starts in the quiet. See you in the next one.